How to extract properties from objects using PowerShell. Select Object. Select specific properties from objects in the pipeline. Let's say you're working with services and you want to know just their names and statuses. Here's the magic command. Type the getService command to select object and list the properties. You can go even further. Customize what you extract by choosing the properties you need. For instance, if you want name, status, and StartType, just list them. Want to rename properties on the fly? Use the format property equals new name. Like this. What about selecting all properties except a few? Use select object with the exclude property parameter as shown in the example.